Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to install one of the most essential tools in a modern developer's toolkit, Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. Whether you're coding in JavaScript, Python, Java, or C#, VS Code's powerful, lightweight, and extensible design makes it a top choice for developers everywhere. Let's get it installed on your machine. First, a quick note. VS Code is completely free and available on all major operating systems, Windows, macOS, and Linux. I'll be demonstrating the installation on Windows, but I'll also show you where to get the installers for Mac and Linux. Step 1. The recommended method, Microsoft Store. But bear in mind that this is only applicable for Windows. If you're on Windows 10 or 11, the easiest and most maintenance-free way to install VS Code is through the Microsoft Store. The store handles updates automatically in the background. Open your Start menu, search for Microsoft Store and open it. In the search bar at the top, type Visual Studio Code. Select the official application published by Microsoft Corporation. Simply click the Install button. The store will download and install everything. Step 2. The standard method, download from the website. If you prefer, or if you're using an older version of Windows without the store, the standard method is just as simple. Let's go to the official source. Open your web browser and go to the official VS Code download page. The easiest way to find it is to search for Download VS Code. The first result is always the official site, code.visualstudio.com/download. You'll see a page with big clear buttons for Windows, macOS, and Linux. For Windows users, click the large Windows button. This will automatically download the correct 64-bit installer for you. For Mac and Linux users, macOS users, click the Mac button to get the zip file. Linux users, select the Linux button for instructions for your distribution, like .dev for Ubuntu or RPM for Fedora. Once the Windows installer has finished downloading, open it from your browser or your Downloads folder. The installation wizard is very straightforward. I recommend keeping the default settings, but let's quickly review the important ones. Accept the license agreement. Installation location. The default path is perfect for most users. Select Start menu folder. Default is fine. Select additional tasks. This is crucial. I highly recommend checking Add to Path. This will allow you to open VS Code from any command prompt. Open with Code. This adds a handy right-click option to open any folder in VS Code directly from File Explorer. Click Next, then Install, and the installer will do its job. Click Finish to launch VS Code for the first time. Thanks for watching this video. Visual Studio Code is a commonly used tool, and we will be using it in almost every video. So I will be referring to this video to install Visual Studio Code in the future videos. Stay tuned for more cool software stuff, and I will see you in the next one.